Yo, what is up? It's been a while, guys. Naging busy kasi pero ngayon may time tayo. Kaya welcome to another episode of Kwento Gains. Hindi lahat na nagpapawi sa gym ay nagte-training. Hindi lahat ng may program gumagana. Today, pag-uusapan natin yung difference ng exercise at training at kung bakit strength ang foundation ng lahat. Exercise is a physical activity done for the effect it produces today. Kung gusto mo lang pagpawisan, mapagod, or mag-burn ng calories, that's exercise. Pero training is a physical activity performed for the purpose of satisfying a long-term performance goal. Ibig sabihin, may sinusundan kang plano, may progression, at may hinahabol kang target. Strength training is a program that increases your ability to produce force against resistance. In short, mapalakas ka, hindi lang para sa gym, kung hindi para ma-improve ang quality ng iyong buhay. Ang mga examples ng mga core strength lifts ay ang squats, deadlifts, bench press, at power cleans. Para sa mga atleta, sa mga serious lifters, yan ang foundation. Different rep ranges, different adaptations. For strength, 90 to 100% of 1 RM, usually 1 to 3 reps. Hypertrophy, 65 to 80%, 8 to 12 plus reps. Power, 50 to 75% at max speed. Endurance, 50 to 60%, 20 plus reps. So, depende sa goal mo. Kung gusto mo strength, stay heavy. Kung aesthetic, volume. Pero kung beginner ka pa lang, strength muna bago aesthetic. Most will say 3 sets lang. Pero remember, that's for general exercise. Kung gusto mo mag-train ng seryoso, kailangan multiple sets. 4 or more para yung progression tuloy-tuloy. Rest is underrated. For strength, 2 to 3 minutes. For power athletes, minsan hanggang 10 minutes. For conditioning, halos wala. General rule, 3 times a week is okay. Pero for strength training, 5 to 6 times a week is ideal with proper programming. Huwag kang matakot kasi mas mataas ang injury rate sa endurance sports kaysa sa strength training. Stick to the basics. Bench press, deadlifts, squats, power cleans, chin-ups, pull-ups. Load, intensity, frequency, and rest ang dapat iniiba, not just the exercises. Pag beginner ka, simple lang. Huwag ka munang masyadong maging creative. Stick to the basics. Master mo muna yung mga basics. Ito ang pinakamasarap na phase. Pag newbie ka, kahit anong gawin mo, may gains at result. Pero kailangan, structured pa rin. 3 times a week, full body, compound lifts, tuloy-tuloy ang progress. Strength is the foundation of all physical improvement. Sports, aesthetics, fat loss, lahat yan easier pag malakas ka. Kung bago ka pa lang, take advantage pa tong phase na to. Huwag ka munang gumaya sa mga nakikita mo sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Focus ka muna sa whole body strength mo. Focus ka muna sa basics. Huwag kalimutang mag-warm up. Bago yung first exercise mo, punta ka muna sa treadmill, incline, lakad, 3 to 5 minutes para mapataas yung core temperature mo. And then empty bar sets, then work your way up to your working set. Ganun din yung gagawin mo sa susunod mong mga lifts, minus the cardio. Kung nagbabalak kang mag-gym uli o seryosohin ang training mo, start with strength. Hindi mo kailangan ng complicated na routine. Ang kailangan mo, structure, consistency, at commitment. Let strength be your foundation sa gym at sa buhay. And that's it for today's episode of Kwento Gains. I am Coach Jesse. Keep grinding, keep pushing, keep learning. Peace out!